Hello children, today we'll study about germination of seed. Now when seed gets suitable condition like temperature, air, water and sunlight, they germinate to produce a new plant. Now an embryo lies dormant in a seed. What do you mean by dormant? Dormant means the embryo is alive but it is not actively growing due to unavailability of the suitable conditions like temperature, water, air and sunlight. Now in presence of the suitable condition, when all these conditions are available for the embryo becomes active and develops into a small seedling. So what is germination? The process by which the dormant embryo within the seed becomes active and grows into a new plant. Now during germination, what happens? The seed swells up due to the absorption of water and the seed coat becomes soft and bursts. And when it bursts, the radicle then quickly elongate, grows downward and give rise to the main root that is called as primary root. And the plumule comes out, grows upward and give rise to the shoot. And the cotyledon, it forms the first leaf of a plant. So what are the conditions that are required for germination? 3 conditions that are necessary for germination. First condition is water. You know that the dry seeds do not germinate. They require water for the seed to swell up and burst open. So it is also required to make the stored food soluble so that it can feed the embryo. Second condition is air. That is, air contains oxygen. Now this oxygen is needed for respiration. Now energy released due to oxidation of stored food is required for the growth of embryo. Third condition is proper temperature. Now ideal temperature for germination of seed is around 35 to 40 degrees centigrade. This temperature is the best for the growth of for the germination of the seed. Why? Because at this temperature enzymes are more active within this range. Now extremely low or extremely high temperature are not favorable for seed germination. Now there is a small activity to study the requirement for, that is the condition requirement for germination. We'll take a beaker and fill the beaker with water, half filled. Now we'll take a rectangular wooden strip and we'll take 3 dried bean seeds. We'll attach it 2 at the ends and 1 in the middle. We'll put the rectangular wooden strip in water in such a way that the lower seed, the seed which is at the bottom, it is completely immersed in water, and then this middle seed, it will be half immersed in water and half of the seed is above the water, and the last, the topmost seed will be completely kept away from the water. Now we'll keep this setup in a warm place for a few days. After that, what do we observe? We'll see that the top seed does not germinate at all. Then the bottom seed is immersed in water, grows only a radicle. Now only the middle seed, it shows normal germination, that is radicle and plumule. Radicle give rise to the root and plumule give rise to the shoot system. Why? Because the middle seed is getting proper water, proper air, proper sunlight and proper temperature is also available. So all the 3 conditions are fulfilled here for the seeds which is located in the middle. So this shows that seeds germinate when all the conditions are available for it. So this is all about germination. Thank you.